So here I am in West Bay. This is the area where Broadchurch was filmed, the TV show with David Tennant. And again, the beaches are totally open to dog walking at this time of year, which makes it really good fun. And even though it's a bit chilly, it's a great walk, and as you can see, the backdrop's pretty cool as well. It's behind us, so quite nice. And on this little trip we brought Herbie. Here he is. Herbie. Oh yeah, and my wife as well. Got the wife as well. And yeah, it's really nice. So you've got the sea just behind us there. And got caught in it a minute ago. So I've got one leg soaking wet and one not where the sea got me. And there we go, one last look. Really nice, great place to come. We just arrived, so this is only the first few hours of our stay. We've already discovered this beach, which is great.